Baby Hippo in Cincinnati Zoo is a social media star. Zoos and animal parks across America are looking for the next internet sensation. After all, baby animals are adorable and then generate tons of clicks. Bao, and Bibi are the pandas that make a splash at the National Zoo in Washington. April, the giraffe, wowed fans at a game park in New York. Now meet Fiona, the baby hippopotamus. She's the pride and joy of the Cincinnati Zoo. Fiona was born prematurely at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden. Due in March, she came months early. In January, she weighed just 29 pounds. That's tiny compared to most hippo calves. They usually weigh between 55 and 120 pounds. The zoo didn't plan to make her a star, according to the Cincinnati Zoo spokesperson, Michelle Curley. It just happened. Sharing details on social media. Fiona's mother rejected the little hippo at birth. Zoo caregivers took over. As they cared for Fiona, they shared details of her life on social media. People fell in love with the little hippo. They started to root for her. Fans watched Fiona being bottle-fed just after birth. They were there when she took her first clumsy steps. They saw her learn to play, diving in the pool where she finally rejoined her mother. Fiona thrived at the zoo. At 7 months, she now weighs 450 pounds. That's closer to the regular weight for a hippo her age. Fiona already has her own hashtag, Team Fiona. Starting Tuesday, she will also have an internet series, The Fiona Show, which will air on Facebook Watch, Facebook's new service for watching original videos. For the premiere, the zoo will share a video of the hippo's birth. It has never been seen online. Business is booming. When zoo animals go viral, business can boom. Curley admitted that Fiona Factor has boosted the zoo's earnings. Attendance this summer has been great, she said. In the United States, live webcams allow many people to view zoo births online. Thousands have watched baby critters be born, from pandas to eagles. Ivy Collier works for the Animals and Society Institute, a nonprofit that helps animals. She thinks these zoo videos can be a good thing. She hopes they will inspire people to have a deeper interest in protecting and caring for wild animals. After all, she said, it's hard to learn about cute fuzzy polar bears and not want to save them. Experts divided. Lisa Moore disagrees. She's a professor at the State University of New York. Moore teaches sociology, the study of how people interact. These cute videos are supposed to get us closer to animals, she said, but they actually force us apart. Eventually, Moore fears people won't want to leave home to see animals anymore. They'll just watch them on webcams. Moore also worries about what might happen next. Will we put cameras on animals, she wonders? Elizabeth Hogan works for the World Animal Protection, a charity that fights animal abuse. She thinks turning animals into internet stars is not all that bad. She still said there could be some misunderstandings. For example, videos of captive zoo animals might give people unrealistic ideas about how the same animal might act in the wild. In truth, the general public should never interact directly with wild animals, Hogan said. Though experts are divided on the issue, it's not new. There have been animals famous for their cuteness since long before the internet. Take Guy the gorilla, for example. In the 1960s and 1970s, Guy became the star of the London Zoo and went on British TV. Decades later, Fiona has fans in 70 countries.